Hello guys, in this video you are going to learn how to make money only by watching video. Okay guys, actually I'm pretty excited to share with you this opportunity because this is really easiest way on how to make money, right? So only by watching video you are able to make money. If you wanted to have more video like this, so I encourage you to click click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, so that you will get notified whenever I come out with a new video. So without further ado, let's dive into our content. So the website that are going to pay you by only watching video is called MyPoints. So you can head over to internet and just type in your browser mypoints.com/videos, so you can land on this website. So this is all those video that you are going to watch and is going to help you earn some extra cash online. But before that guys, before we dive in, just wanted to share with you from Trustpilot.com, which is they has a MyPoint review. As you can see here, MyPoint has 4 star out of 5 star, which is a 4,000 plus review. And as you can see here also, it has 67% of excellent rate, right? So those people who has worked with MyPoint has given their feedback, their review, that they say MyPoint is excellent. So this website is pretty legit. So another thing that I want to make sure here, I just want to share with you the legit company that are going to help you make money online, right? So I'm not going to share with you illegal company that not going to pay you, you're going to waste your time, and etc. So if you wanted to read more about this review, you can land over this website. And as you can see here, there's a lot of review like 5 star, 4 star, 5 star. I could say that most of the review is 4 star and above, right? So that is the reason why this website is legitimate. So as you can see here also, this is really fresh review. It's just this is 12 hours ago. This is a day ago, right? 2 days ago. So this is legit guys. So I'm pretty sure you can rely on this website to help you make some extra cash, right? So let's dive into our actual website. So as you can see here, all this website has a point, right? So like this one 4 points, this one 2 points, 2 and 4. So the way are you going to make money is you are not actually going to make money direct after you watching this video, but instead you are actually going to accumulate all this point after you watching each video, and accumulate all those points to exchange for a cash, right? So there is a certain amount of point that you have to accumulate in order to able you to exchange for a cash, which is I'm going to share with you how much point that you have to accumulate just a little bit. So before that, I wanted to share with you how everything's work first, right? So you can choose from various type of videos. As you can see here also, you can scroll down. There's a lot of type of video: entertainment, fashion, health, and etc., right? So you just choose whatever video that you interested, right? But I would highly recommend to choose the most short video, because you are actually here to make money, right? You're not going to really watching that video, right? So another thing is who is actually going to pay you those money, okay? So MyPoint is the one who are going to pay you money, right? So how everything's works. So here's the things: each and every one of this video, if you watch the video, you are not only watch that video, but instead you are also going to watch an advertisement on that video. Each and every one of this video has contain an ads in it, right? So actually MyPoints has a client which is a business person who wanted to advertise their things, their product or their services in MyPoints video. So they pay MyPoint to put on their ads on MyPoint videos. So MyPoint, after that, we're going to pay you as a person who are going to watch that video and the ads simultaneously. So that is how everything's work. It's pretty straightforward, right? That is how this business work, and that is how you're going to get paid, right? So MyPoint a client paid MyPoint and MyPoint is going to pay you. You are actually helping MyPoint to do the heavy lifting, right? So that is pretty much it, guys. I think that is simple. It is very simple. You can make money. So what you have to do is just watch each and every one of this video, and after that you accumulate all your points and you can exchange for a cash. So if you are interested to make money with this method, just simply click join now here and you can start to make some extra cash. So another thing is, I also wanted to share with you, if you want to earn some more, you know, what you have to do is just join now. You click down now and you can actually register for multiple accounts. So that way you're going to make a lot more money rather than only have one account, right? So maybe you want to have some 3 to 4 account, maybe you have some other devices like laptop, you know, mobile phone, tab, right, or whatever. So you can actually register for multiple account to accelerate the process of accumulate all those points in order to exchange it for some cash, right? So enough on that. So now I'm going to share with you the last things is MyPoint FAQ, right? So this is these 3 question I have from someone else channel, which is the subscriber, the audience asked them about this particular question. So I wanted to also share with you here. So the first question is, how much points can I earn per day, right? It is actually relatively subjective because it is totally depend on you, right? So how much free time that you have and how serious you are in order to earn some extra cash online. So that's the point. If you have a lot of free time, so you literally can do a lot more money than others, right? So there's no restricted, and MyPoint is a 24 hours website. You can access anytime you want, right? So question number 2, how much point do I need to earn cash, right? So here's the thing, I wanted to share with you something. Okay, click redeem points here. So this is the thing that I told you earlier in this video. Okay, as you can see here, this is the reward that you are able to redeem with, right? So there is an Amazon card here, and there's a lot more others, but in this particular video I just want to share with you redeem or exchange a cash with PayPal. All right, so you are able to get like $25, right? In order to cash $25, you have to able to make 3,970 points, right? So that is the amount of the point that will able for you to exchange for a cash, right? So this is the amount, and you are able to cash for $50 if you have 7,940 points and etc., right? So let's jump into our last question, which is which device work best, right? So in my opinion, your mobile phone is work best for you because obviously we are actually carrying out our mobile device whenever we go, right? So whenever you go somewhere and whenever you have a free time, like maybe you are waiting for a movie or maybe you're waiting for a friend or your girlfriend, you can actually just take out your mobile phone and play the video, and you can earn extra point, and literally you can earn extra money as well. So that is pretty much it, right? So guys, I hope you have some value in my video, and if you have any question, just put on your question in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification, because I will constantly upload on daily basis the method and new content, new fresh content to help you to make your first dollar online. So see you on my next video. Bye bye.